Okay, I wanted to do a little walkthrough of what I've decided I'm going to do in this one as I actually start building it and putting it together. And this is just to give you some ideas maybe for your own if you want to do one of these, or just to at least give you something to think about. So this particular piece of the pattern paper from the collection is what I'm going to use for the front and back covers. And then this will be embellished with some other die cuts, probably from some colored cardstocks, or I may do some watercoloring effects. I haven't decided what I'm going to put on the spine yet, if I'm going to use just a solid color of cardstock or do something with a piece of pattern paper there. Then when this opens up, this is going to be my inside cover lining page, and all of this is then going to be my waterfall mechanism and the pages for it. And I have already marked where my magnet is going to go, and I'll show you in a minute that. This is going to be the pocket, or the covering for the pocket, that's going to be on the outside of the flat page, so that will go there. Then when this opens, this will be the inside of the flat page. This is going to be the base of the first page, and then this is going to be the pocket and the pattern paper that I'll use over it. As I tried to limit the number of different pages from the paper collection so that I could repeat them in various pages or elements for the book. Now this is going to be the inside 2-page area. I liked the pineapples, and it incorporated all of the different colors. And I had this cardstock that then, these will actually be belly bands. So these are my little score areas that'll be folded back. And once the papers are attached, then the little belly bands. And I don't know if I'll offset them or do them in the center, because I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do with this book yet. So maybe by the time I get to that point, I'll know, or I'll know more. So when this opens, this is just going to be a repeat of the front flat page section. I have the other pocket mechanism up there, and then the other little side pocket will go here. The only thing I haven't decided on yet was the back inside page. I don't know if I'm going to use that same leaf patterned paper and put there, or do the repeat of the pineapples. I just hadn't decided that one yet, because I'm still debating on if to do the waterfall mechanism or do something different back there. And then of course the back cover is going to be the same as the front cover. A little paper flipped out. So anyway, that is everything that I'm going to start working on for this book. Now because, and I'll go on and do this now, mainly so the glue can set up from the magnet. I have pre-marked where my magnet needed to go. So my base magnet piece is going to go there, and then of course the pattern paper is going to cover it up. When my waterfall mechanism is in place, this little dot on the back side, where the dot is there, will be where the magnet will be, that will be the closure. And then I'll use just a circle punch and punch, I don't know, maybe a piece of the same or something else to cover the magnet up, because I like for my magnets to be sealed. So I stuck the magnet to the end of one of my ball tools here so it wouldn't get away from me. And I use glossy accents and just a dot over that area, and then place that half of the magnet in place, and then that's going to set up and dry, and then I'm going to come back and start actually building on this book so that you can see some of the progress of how it goes together. But I wanted to just show you what I was going to use and get at least half of the magnet set into place. Be back soon.